Express the trigonometric ratios sin A, sec A and tan A in terms of cot A. We are starting with the exercise 8.4. We know the identity. Cosec square A is equal to 1 plus cot square A. That is, cosec A is equal to, taking square root on both the sides, we get square root of cos square A. But we take only the positive number because the trigonometric ratios are always positive. But 1 of cosec A is 1 upon sin A. This is equal to square root 1 plus cot square A. Therefore, sin of A is equal to 1 upon 1 plus cot square A, square root of. And the second one, tan of A is equal to 1 upon cot of A. And the third one, sec square A is equal to 1 plus tan square A. This is equal to 1 plus 1 upon cot square A. This is equal to cot square A plus 1 divided by cot square A. Therefore, sec of A is equal to square root of cot square A plus 1 divided by cot of A. So, we expressed sin A, tan A and sec A in terms of cot A. Cot A, cot A, cot A. Now, the second way, what it is, write all the trigonometric ratios of angle A in terms of sec A. We know that cos A is equal to 1 upon sec A. And the second one, sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Therefore, sin square A is equal to 1 minus cos square A. This is 1 minus 1 upon sec square A. This is equal to sec square A minus 1 divided by sec square A. Therefore, sin of A is equal to square root of sec square A minus 1 divided by sec of A. Then the third one, tan of A is equal to sin A upon cos A. Just now we found that sin A is equal to square root of sec square A minus 1 divided by sec A whole divided by cos A is 1 upon sec A. This is equal to square root of sec square A minus 1. And cosec A is equal to 1 upon sin A. It is, we have found that sin of A is equal to square root of sec square A minus 1 whole divided by sec A. Therefore, 1 upon sin A is sec of A divided by square root of sec square A minus 1. And cot of A is equal to 1 upon tan A. This is equal to, from this, it is 1 divided by square root sec square a minus 1. So these are the trigonometric ratios in terms of sec of a. Now the next question. Evaluate the first one. Sine square 63 degrees plus sine square 27 degrees divided by cos square 17 degrees plus cos square 63 degrees. Here we know that these two angles are complementary. Therefore, we will change the degrees as sine square of 90 degrees minus 17 degrees plus sine square of 90 degrees minus 63 degrees whole divided by cos square of 17 degrees plus cos square of 63 degrees. This we get cos square of 17 degrees plus cos square of 63 degrees whole divided by cos square of 17 degrees plus cos square of 63 degrees. This is equal to 1. And the second one, sine 25 degrees cos of 65 degrees plus cos of 25 degrees sine of 65 degrees. This is equal to sine of 90 minus 65 degrees into cos of 65 degrees plus cos of 90 minus 65 degrees into sine of 65 degrees. This is equal to cos of 65 degrees into cos of 65 degrees plus sine of 65 degrees into sine of 65 degrees, because cos of 90 minus 65 degrees is sine of 65 and sine of 90 minus 65 is cos of 65. This is equal to cos square 65 degrees plus sine square 65 degrees. This is equal to